get ready for the ghastly, ghost-hunting mystery that will chill the very marrow of your bones. Ghostnapped is an adventure that will fright and delight kids and teens everywhere. 10-year-old Alex loves to explore, but when her younger brother is mysteriously ghostnapped on their camping trip at the beach, it is up to Alex and her trusty Labrador, Thuds, to investigate her brother's sudden disappearance. Her journey takes her through grassy hills and dangerous rocky cliffs near the camp. As Alex investigates, Alex uncovers a hidden secret of other disappearances that have occurred at the very same campsite over 50 years ago. This chilling mystery is available now at www.strategicbookpublishing.com/ghostnapped.html.